everyone, we choose to do urban gardening kit. Today, I will present to you our DIY project. We need cup, plant, soil, cutter and markers. Firstly, we must mark half of the cup because after this we will cut it. Take scissors and cut follow the line that we have marked it. Prepare a paper because after this we will decorate the cup. It depends to you how you guys want to decorate it. For our project, we have decided to decorate it become a cute kitten. Take the paper that we have cut and make it as outer layer for the cup. So now, decorate it depends on your creativity. Next, put the soil into the cup. And also the plant into the cup. Plant it nicely, okay? Tada! Our DIY project is finished. Thank you!